Let's make crispy corn patties. Start by pressure cooking the corn kernels. Mash the boiled potatoes well. Chop the cooked corn and capsicum finely. Add these to the mashed potatoes along with green chili and cilantro. Add all the spices, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Add pepper and breadcrumbs for texture. Mix in cornflour to help bind everything together. Shape the mixture into patties. Make a coating batter with water, cornflour and salt. Dip each patty in the batter, then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in medium hot oil, a few at a time. Turn them carefully and fry until golden brown. Remove when crispy and golden. Your crunchy corn patties are ready to enjoy. Please like, share and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.